Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply change two-step verification pin in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to simply click on here to open up my WhatsApp. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then go to settings. Then go to accounts. Then go to two-step verification. Then click on change pin. Enter a new 6-digit pin. Then confirm the new 6-digit pin and click on OK. Your pin will be totally changed. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your two-step verification pin in WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.